Bonjour les élèves, j'espère que vous allez bien. Bon voyage. You must have seen people do say bon voyage while leaving for a journey. Bon voyage means what? Bon voyage means have a happy journey. Today, in this lesson, we are going to learn about journey and primarily about train journey. Pour aller à une grande ville, on prend un train. To go to a big city, we are going to take a train. Pour prendre un train, on va à la gare. In order to take a train, we go to the station. And pour prendre un train, on achète un billet. In order to take a train, we need to buy a ticket. Comment acheter un billet? How to buy a ticket? In this case, I must also tell you, billet, un billet means a ticket, but often the French would also say droit d'entrée. Droit d'entrée means the right to admit or the right to admission. So, comment acheter un billet? How to buy a ticket? On achète le billet au guichet. We buy the ticket from the counter. Le guichet, we have done it in our previous lesson. Le guichet means counter and primarily ticket counter. Où est le guichet? Where is the counter? Où est le guichet? Le guichet est à côté de la gare. Le guichet est à côté de la gare. So, we are coming across a new word, la gare. La gare means the station. So, the counter or the ticket counter is normally situated on the side of the station or beside the station. So, le guichet est à côté de la gare. Combien ça coûte pour acheter un billet entre Paris et Lyon? Combien ça coûte pour acheter un billet entre Paris et Lyon? It means combien ça coûte? How much does it cost to buy a ticket to go to Lyon or between Lyon and Paris? So, as you know, Paris is the capital of France and Lyon is another big city in France. So, how much does it cost to travel between Paris and Lyon? Combien ça coûte pour acheter un billet entre Paris et Lyon? Ça coûte 20 euros. Ça coûte 20 euros. It costs 20 euros. It costs 20 euros. These are the expressions that we would often require while undertaking a travel or a journey. Now, after buying the ticket, we enter the station. And the train starts off from a platform. So, you can ask, le train part de quel quai? Le train part de quel quai? Which platform the train leaves from? Le train part du quai numéro 2. The train leaves from platform number 2. So, now we have learnt a new word, le quai. So, le train part de quel quai? Which platform does the train leave from? Le train part du quai numéro 2. The train leaves from platform number 2. Now, while undertaking travel, we often eat, we read books and magazines. So, pendant le voyage, on mange des gâteaux et on lit les journaux. Les journaux means the newspaper. Pendant le voyage. So this is perhaps a new expression for you. Pendant le voyage, during the travel, on mange des gâteaux. We eat the cakes. On lit les journaux. We read newspapers. And where do you buy the newspaper from? Il y a un magasin des journaux. Il y a un magasin des journaux sur le quai. On the platform, there is a shop where you can buy newspaper. So, these are the terms and expressions which are related to journey. Now, we are going to learn a few expressions regarding journey. Quand est-ce que tu pars? Quand est-ce que tu pars? When are you leaving? Quand est-ce que vous partez? Quand est-ce que vous partez? When are you leaving? As you know, in French, we have two different words for you. Tu for familiar and informal you, and vous for formal you and for plural number of you. Quand est-ce que tu pars? Quand est-ce que vous partez? Je pars demain matin. Je pars demain matin. I am leaving tomorrow morning. Nous partons après-demain soir. Nous partons après-demain soir. We are leaving day after tomorrow evening. So, now we have learnt a new 2-3 words as you had already known. Aujourd'hui means today, demain means tomorrow, hier means yesterday. Aujourd'hui means today, demain means tomorrow, hier means yesterday. And après-demain means day after tomorrow. Après-demain means day after tomorrow. Hier means yesterday. Avant-hier means day before yesterday. Avant-hier means day before yesterday. Now, regarding the timing of a train, when we go to a station, we ask à quelle heure part le dernier train pour New Delhi de Agra? À quelle heure part le dernier train pour New Delhi de Agra? At what time does the last train for New Delhi leaves from Agra? Le dernier train part à 22h30 pour New Delhi. Le dernier train part à 22h30 pour New Delhi. The last train leaves at 10:30 for New Delhi at night. Imaginons, nous avons deux amis français qui voyagent en Inde. Imaginons, nous avons deux amis français qui voyagent en Inde. Let's imagine we have two friends from France who are traveling in India. Ils sont à Delhi chez nous. They are at my place, at our place in New Delhi. Ils sont à Delhi chez nous. They are at our place in Delhi. Nous allons à Benares. Nous allons à Benares. We are going to Varanasi. Nous allons partir de New Delhi. We are going to leave from New Delhi. Nous allons partir de New Delhi. Visit Benares and we are going to leave from New Delhi. Imaginons, nous avons deux amis français qui voyagent en Inde. Ils sont à Delhi, chez nous. Nous allons à Benares. Nous allons partir de New Delhi. Now there is this word called chez nous. Chez nous means at our place. So chez quelqu'un, chez somebody's place actually means the home of someone. Chez nous means our home. Chez moi means my home. Chez toi means your home, chez lui means his home, chez elle means her home, chez nous means our home, chez vous means your home, chez eux means their home, and there means where all members are male, chez eux, and chez elle is their home, there means all members are female. So, chez moi means my house, chez toi means your house, chez lui means his house, chez elle means her house, chez nous means our house, chez vous means your house in plural or formal, chez eux means their house, and chez elle means also their house. So, in this situation that we were imagining that two of our friends from France are visiting us, now we will continue with that story. On va prendre le train le plus rapide entre New Delhi et Benares. We are going to take the fastest train between New Delhi and Benares. On va prendre le train le plus rapide entre New Delhi et Benares. Le train Vande Bharat prend 8 heures pour aller à Benares. Le train Vande Bharat prend 8 heures pour aller à Benares. Vande Bharat takes 8 hours to go to Benares. On part très tôt le matin. We are going to leave early in the morning. Tôt means early, très tôt means very early. Tard means late. Il est tard means it's very late. On part très tôt le matin. But when we are talking of tard, when a train is late, then we say retard. Le train est en retard. Retard means also late. So, tard means late and retard means late. So, when you want to say he came very late, il est arrivé très tard. But if somebody is late than the indicated time, then it's retard. Le train est en retard means the train is late. Benares est une ville ancienne. Vande Bharat est un train très moderne. Varanasi is an ancient city. Vande Bharat is a modern train. Here we are learning two new adjectives. Ancienne means ancient and moderne means modern. Now we are going to learn a few expressions related to journey. On s'amuse bien à Benares. We enjoy a lot in Benares. On mange les plats traditionnels. We eat traditional dishes. On boit le masala chai sous les ghats de Benares. We drink masala chai on the ghats of Benares. And now we are going to learn a new verb. S'amuser means to enjoy. As I have said, on s'amuse bien à Benares. So, je m'amuse, the conjugation of the verb s'amuser. Je m'amuse means I enjoy. Tu t'amuses, il s'amuse, elle s'amuse, nous nous amusons, vous vous amusez, il s'amuse, elle s'amuse. I repeat, je m'amuse, tu t'amuses, il s'amuse, elle s'amuse, nous nous amusons, vous vous amusez, il s'amuse, elle s'amuse. When we go and travel, normally we buy gifts for our friends and family. On cherche un magasin de cadeaux pour les amis français. On cherche un magasin de cadeaux pour les amis français. We are looking for a gift shop for the French friends. On achète les bijoux. On achète les bijoux. Bijoux means jewelry. Le propriétaire de magasin est très gentil. Le propriétaire de magasin est très gentil. The owner of the shop is very nice. Il nous donne un vieux livre sur la ville de Benares. il nous donne un vieux livre sur la ville de Benares. He gives us a very old book on the city of Varanasi. So now, in this part of the lesson, we have learned a few new verbs. On cherche, chercher means to search. Je cherche, tu cherches, il cherche, elle cherche, nous cherchons, vous cherchez, il cherche, elle cherche. And then we have also learned the verb donner. Donner means to give. Je donne, tu donnes, il donne, elle donne, nous donnons, vous donnez, il donne, elle donne. So, now we have also learned a new word, le propriétaire. Le propriétaire for a owner who is a man, la propriétaire for the owner who is a woman. Gentil means nice, but again, gentil changes its gender as it's an adjective. So if the owner is a man, le propriétaire est très gentil, Gentil, and la propriétaire means the owner who is a woman est très gentil. The pronunciation remains the same, but the spelling is Gentil, gentil. So, le propriétaire is the owner, who is a man, and la propriétaire is the woman owner. Vieux livre. So, we have used this word vieux. Vieux is old. Ancien is ancient. Ancienne is also ancient. For the feminine words, vieux is old, but for masculine, and vieille is for feminine. Un livre means one book, and une dame means one lady. So you know un livre is masculine and une dame is feminine. Un vieux livre is an old book, une vieille dame is an old lady. And what is the opposite of vieux and vieille? It's jeune. Un jeune homme means a young man. Une jeune femme means a young lady. So, just to recap, we have learned a few new adjectives. Ancien means ancient. Ancienne means ancient. Moderne is the same word for masculine and feminine, means modern. Then we have learned vieux means old. Vieille means also old but for feminine, and jeune for young. On visite les anciens temples de Bénares. Puis le soir, on participe aux animations culturelles sur les Ghats. On visite les anciens temples de Bénares. We visit the ancient temples of Varanasi. Puis le soir, then in the evening, on participe aux animations culturelles sur les Ghats. We see the cultural programs on the Ghats. On rentre par le dernier train pour New Delhi. We are going to return by the last train to New Delhi. So, another new verb, rentrer. Rentrer means to return. Je rentre, tu rentres, il rentre, elle rentre. Nous rentrons, vous rentrez, il rentre, elle rentre. So, another new verb we have learned, to return, je rentre, tu rentres, il rentre, elle rentre, nous rentrons, vous rentrez, il rentre, elle rentre. And we have also learned a few new adjectives. Premier means the first, dernier means the last. But once again, for the masculine words, le premier train, and for the feminine, like classe, la première classe. Le dernier train is masculine, so le dernier train, and in feminine, la dernière train, and the spelling is different as you can see it. Now, you know that France had the fastest train long time back, which is called train en grande vitesse. Train en grande vitesse. So TGV. high-speed train in English. In fact, in 2007, a type of TGV called V150 was the highest speed train in the world, which hit a whopping 357.2 miles per hour. And now I would request you to go and do a search on which is the fastest train in India. I thank you all for your kind attention. Bonne continuation. À la prochaine et au revoir.